wanna know about Islam, we'll give them da'wah. They wanna know what a Muslim does, we'll give them da'wah. When they wanna hate on our deen, we'll give them da'wah. Who's the one and only? Nobody but Allah. Let me break it down right now for
Literally, man. I mean, honestly, I did not expect this much crowd early in the morning. Sahar wo baji thi. Khair. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I was lost deep inside. Then I got another chance with my life. I was guided back to Islam. They wanna know about Islam, we'll give them da'wah. They wanna know what a Muslim does, we'll give them da'wah. When they wanna hate on our deen, we'll give them da'wah. Who's the one and only? Nobody but Allah. What is the benefit of hanging in the streets, acting bad like you wanna run the scene? You're getting nothing from that empty life you lead. Come to Islam, you find your inner peace. No champagne, we don't rave. We're on the real hype, we just pray. When Akis link up, we'll be drinking Zamzam minty, talking about our deen. And
What a productive day. Honestly. Running में होकर आगे बाद में स्केपिंग रोप का और स्ट्रेचिंग में होना का जगह से डेढ़ वक्त बाद रगले में ग्राउंड का नो नन सीधा स्ट्रेचिंग मुश्किल है होपफुली सबा होंगे इंशाल्लाह साइकिलिंग का ओबल और हम नो होपफुली मंडे ट्यूसडे ना मंगा स्ट्रेचिंग हम शुरू को और दगा रकम स्प्रिंट हम शुरू को से मंगा हम पल स्प्रिंट सीधा आगे इम्प्रूव को हो ऑनेस्टली
Finger out, they can point the finger at us. Yeah, it's cool, don't worry, we're used to it. Saw what they done to sisters on the bus. O2 joined the religion of peace, but walking these streets today is rough. I just kill it with silence, react with kindness, watching the violence, they keep up. You see they slander us in the tabloid, they slander us on TV.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Like وصل الخير سلام منزو اسلامآباد एयरपोर्ट का बाई मींस इन अगर ड्रॉप को और वصل الخير सरजू बाजार के लिखता का पुका सामान दा पाथिदा हागरा उड़ू and then we will see.
Ramadan, Hajj is our pilgrimage. We say there's no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his final messenger. The ones on thee know it's a sacrifice, but it's a small price to pay for all the rewards we'll get from Allah, inshallah. They wanna know about Islam.
बस कम सलोर बजे दिया अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह दे अल्लाह पाक ढेर शुक्र दा मैं खैर सरा उस कोर सरा रसीदलो I could not record anything because I was driving, so sorry about that. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Today we give in charity, we fast in Ramadan, Hajj is our pilgrimage. We say there's no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his final messenger.